ब्रेक के बाद आपका स्वागत है। एक बड़ी राजनीतिक खबर से आपको रूबरू करा देते हैं। पुडुचेरी की कांग्रेस सरकार और किरण बेदी के बीच लंबे समय से जारी टकराव पर आ रही एक बड़ी खबर है। राष्ट्रपति ने किरण बेदी को पुडुचेरी के उपराज्यपाल के पद से हटा दिया है और उनकी जगह पर तेलंगाना की राज्यपाल को पुडुचेरी का अतिरिक्त कार्यभार सौंपा गया है। पुडुचेरी के सीएम ने इस कदम को लोगों की जीत बताया है। सीएम नारायणसामी ने कहा कि किरण बेदी ने कल्याण योजनाओं को रोककर पुडुचेरी के विकास में बाधा डाली है। आपको बता दें, इससे पहले सीएम ने भी किरण बेदी के खिलाफ प्रदर्शन किया था।
Due to our pressure, they have removed her from the lieutenant governorship, and this is a great victory for the people of Puducherry, because she has been relieved by the willpower of the people of Puducherry. She hampered the growth in the state of Puducherry by her attitude in blocking all the welfare schemes. Now the people of Puducherry will teach a lesson to the BJP in Puducherry state.
और इस खबर पर और ज्यादा जानकारी लेकर हमारे साथ हमारे संवाददाता मुगिलन इस समय हमारे साथ लाइव जुड़े हैं। सो मुगिलन, वी हैड सीन हाउ नारायणसामी led Puducherry government had been at loggerheads with for long with Bedi now, and now this big development and big new move by the President of India. Can we link it to the memorandum that the Congress had submitted to President against Bedi few days back?
Definitely yes. We have seen right from the day one when Kiran Bedi was appointed as the Lieutenant Governor, we have seen that both the Chief Minister and the Lieutenant Governor were in loggerheads. Almost for 4.5 years now, we have seen the kind of problem what the Governor, the Lieutenant Governor and the Chief Minister have faced. And even very recently, as you rightly said, last week we saw the Chief Minister even went and met President and submitted a memorandum to recall Kiran Bedi. And amidst of all political drama that was unfolding in Puducherry, yesterday evening we have seen a communique from the President's office which very clearly says that Kiran Bedi will cease to function as the Lieutenant Governor of Puducherry, and Tamilisai will be overseeing the Puducherry and given an additional charge to her. So this comes at the time when Congress have lost the majority in the House. Yesterday we have seen the Congress now has only 14 MLAs, and still Congress government maintains that they will not step down. And yesterday Narayanasamy very clearly said that they're not going to resign as they have absolute majority. So now this comes at the time. Today several opposition parties were slated to give a written representation to the Lieutenant Governor seeking for a floor test in the assembly, asking the Congress government to prove its majority. But now that will not happen. We have to wait and see what the opposition parties are now planning to do, because they wanted the ruling Congress government to step down immediately or prove its majority in the floor of House. But now, in the absence of governor, we have to wait and watch what the opposition parties are really planning to do. And yesterday, after this information, now the Chief Minister claims that it is a victory of the people of Puducherry, and it is a victory for the protest that was staged by the Congress and the DMK alliance in last 4 years. And we have seen several instances where the Chief Minister was protesting right outside the Raj Niwas for days in front of the Raj Niwas. So now the Congress government very clearly claims that it is the victory of the Congress government which was protesting to recall, demanding to recall Kiran Bedi at the earliest.
Right. Mugilan, stay with us. I will need your input on some more developments that are coming on this big story. पुडुचेरी में जारी राजनीतिक संकट के बीच आज कांग्रेस सांसद राहुल गांधी पुडुचेरी का दौरा करेंगे। पुडुचेरी में राहुल गांधी मछुआरा समुदाय और कॉलेज के स्टूडेंट्स के साथ बातचीत करेंगे, और इसके साथ ही कांग्रेस नेता राहुल गांधी शाम को एक जन संवाद रैली भी संबोधित करेंगे। मुगिलन हमारे साथ लाइव बने हुए हैं। सो मुगिलन, Rahul's visit comes at a very crucial time, as you were rightly pointing out that Congress government is looking to be in a dangerous situation in Puducherry. Party is looking in complete disarray, followed by a flurry of resignations by the MLAs, and all this before crucial assembly polls. So a lot should be on the plate of Rahul Gandhi.
Definitely, yes. Yesterday it was a very big embarrassment for the ruling Congress government in Puducherry, because in last 2 days, that is on Sunday and Monday, on Monday and Tuesday, we have seen at least 2 MLAs tendering their resignation. And when we spoke with several people in Congress, they even said that there are more MLAs who are ready to tender their resignation. But at this juncture, Rahul Gandhi will be there in Puducherry early in the morning today. He will be meeting the fishermen community, will have a discussion with them, and then he will be having a discussion with the college student, and then in the evening there will be a public meeting, and this comes ahead of the assembly elections also. And very importantly, we have seen in the recent days that there were fissures between even the Congress and the DMK alliance itself. So now Congress leader Rahul Gandhi will be in Puducherry to strengthen the Congress vote bank in Puducherry, and also he will be speaking to in the sense to strengthen the Congress and DMK alliance also. But yes, when Rahul Gandhi is scheduled to land in Puducherry, now we are seeing a kind of situation what the Congress government is in. The Congress government does not enjoy a majority in the floor of the house. So as a firefighting measure, now we are seeing that Congress taking several measures to stop MLAs further tendering any resignation.
Right. Thank you.